Everyone in HueFin News. Today is October the 10th, 2018, and man, what a day the financial markets have given us today in the stock market. Definitely something that we need to pay attention to, and sadly to say, this was already forecast on our video that we posted on our channel here on YouTube on October 2nd, 2018. I will put a video at the end of this one to show you all that we have already predicted that these stocks, Facebook, Amazon, and Netflix, were all weak. And actually there was an article connected to that video that stated that these stocks were a buy, when in fact we said that they are not, that we were still expecting these particular stocks to move lower in price. And that's literally what happened today in the market. You can tell up there at the top of the screen that Facebook ended the day down 4.13. Amazon ended the day down 6.15. And look at Netflix ended the day down 8.38. There was an article right here that I wanted to show you all again that literally solidifies the fact that we were expecting this to occur. Stock sell-off is taking a toll on some of the hottest names in tech. It's an article written by Jaron Wittenstein today, and here is just a pictorial graph of what exactly occurred to a lot of the tech stocks today. Down 42% since January 26th of 2018, 10 cents. Alibaba down 34% since June 14th. Baidu down 32% since May 16. eBay 31%. Facebook 30%. Spotify 24%. Look at Square. Double-digit losses are definitely running across the gambit for the technology sector. Definitely something that you all should have been aware of. If you're not a member of ours on this particular channel, you definitely need to go ahead and subscribe, because we are giving you the ability to forecast prices without the confusion. I will go ahead and show you these three stocks, a part of the FANG: Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google, and show you what we are predicting and expecting to happen in the near term as well as in the future. Okay, so you can also read here on this particular article that those major technology stocks are a key pillar in the longest bull market in history, in which 5% from the S&P 500 index fell last week. Tech stocks were again the hardest hit on Wednesday as investors rushed for the exits. Netflix was among the biggest decliners, tumbling 8.4%. You all can see that right there at 8.38%. So definitely you can still see here that we have a lot more weakness to go, a lot more downside movement to go. Without any further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the charts and show you our predictions, what we're expecting the market to do for these three particular stock companies, and make sure you all are staying ahead of the curve. So now we are looking at Facebook. Facebook, ever since the all-time high that is made here on the 25th of July, is completely crashed. Okay, actually we have broken our ascending line in Facebook. We did a video on Facebook as well on October 2nd, so go back and look at that particular video. We were looking for Facebook to continue to move to the downside. Literally, that's what's happening today. And this daily price chart in Facebook definitely shows you that the market might try to come and hold support around $150 a share. It did that previously during this particular time period, as well as consolidation for multiple days. So at least expect some consolidation in the near term to occur in Facebook. Quick look at the weekly chart. If we end what we have right now on the weekly chart in Facebook, then definitely $150 is not going to hold. You can definitely expect the market to at least come down to 140. Definitely I can see it coming down to 130. So ultimately, once all is said and done in Facebook, we can really move lower in price, $130, even 120. So that is at least a 50% drop in the market for Facebook, something that you all need to already plan for in this particular stock if you're in this particular trade. Now, still looking for Facebook to continue to move to the downside. Although we can consolidate near term, $150 will be acting as support, and then we will resume back down to lower prices. Okay. Now let's take a look at the next one. Amazon down 6.15%. Look at the last trade, $1,756.55. Weekly chart for Amazon continues to show you indications of weakness coming into the market. $1,600 looks like an logical area for this particular stock to find support. Wait until we end on this particular weekly bar. I would like to see what occurs, but there's still some weakness in the market for Amazon to expect a continuation to the downside to happen. Okay. Quick look on the daily price chart. That's a very glaring push to go down bar in the market. Still expecting Amazon to move to the downside. It might try to come initially towards that 1700, 1650 price level. Definitely in around that is where we are looking for Amazon to find that support. But if we continue to get the amount of selling, the amount of volume in the market for Amazon, it's going to break those two prices, 1700, 1650, and it's going to move all the way down to $1,600. Okay. So now let's take a look at the last one for today, which is going to be Netflix. Netflix has given us a very strong push to go down bar in the market. Definitely a huge indication that that consolidation that we've been trading and also the movement to the upside is now gone. Okay. Definitely something we need to pay attention to. Market for Netflix definitely look like it's going to try to come towards $300, maybe towards this particular low here on the daily price chart that occurred on the 20th of August. Quick look at the weekly chart. You're still seeing indications of huge weakness into the market for Netflix. I'm still looking for the stock to continue to move to the downside. Just like with Facebook, it can come and hold consolidation, trade here for a couple of days around $310, and then the resumption to lower prices is still going to be in store. But literally what I am seeing in the market for the technology sector is a negative one. I don't see it turning in the market as of yet. We definitely got to wait until we find support areas, very strong support areas, before we'll know that we're going to revert back to higher prices. But as of right now, all three of these stocks are definitely moving to the downside. I'm looking for it to continue. Go back and look at our video that we posted on October 2nd, and we have already stated that we was looking for these stocks to move lower. So if you guys would have just watched this video already and you understand how to short the market, you would have been very profitable on today's trading. So again, go ahead, like and subscribe to this particular channel, because we're the only organization that is giving you price predictions of what we expect the market to do over the next couple of days. We don't rely on any indicators, no Bollinger Bands, MACDs, stochastics. All of those types of indicators are irrelevant. We don't have any patterns, shapes, nothing of that nature. It's nice clean chart. It's all you need in order to maintain profitability and understand what the market is saying. So again, give us your comment though. Tell us what you expect the technology sector to do over the next couple of trading days, especially Facebook, Amazon, and Netflix. We would like to know what you guys think. What do you expect to happen? So go ahead and leave us a comment as well, so we can converse and make sure that we all are thinking the same thing. Or even if not, you have your own opinions. We all have our own, and we definitely are susceptible to your criticism as to what you expect the market to do over the next couple of days. So again, we do appreciate you all stopping by, watching this video. Go ahead and like and subscribe. If you got a moment, go ahead and watch these other videos, which is coming up. Make sure you all maintain your profitability. I will see you all later.